Leucine, more commonly spelled as leucine, is an essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in protein synthesis and various metabolic functions. Here are some key points about leucine. 1. Essential amino acid. Leucine is one of the 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot synthesize on its own and must be obtained through diet. 2. Protein synthesis. Leucine is particularly important for muscle protein synthesis. It activates a key complex called mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin, which is a critical regulator of cell growth and protein synthesis. 3. Sources. Leucine is found in high amounts in protein-rich foods such as meat, dairy products, soy products, beans, and legumes. 4. Supplementation. Leucine is often included in dietary supplements, especially those targeting muscle growth and recovery, like branched-chain amino acid (BCA) supplements, which typically contain leucine, isoleucine, and valine. 5. Metabolic functions. Beyond its role in muscle growth, leucine also helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports the production of growth hormones. Specifically, leucine and other amino acids can undergo Maillard reactions at high temperatures, which is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars. This reaction is responsible for browning and flavor changes in cooked foods but can also reduce the availability of essential amino acids like leucine. To preserve the integrity and nutritional value of proteins containing leucine, it's important to use cooking methods that do not excessively expose the proteins to high temperatures. For instance, steaming, poaching, or cooking at lower temperatures for shorter periods can help maintain the nutritional quality of the proteins. Leucine, often referred to as leucine, is a colorless, crystalline amino acid. It doesn't have a color of its own as it is a solid in its pure form, typically appearing as a white powder or crystals. Leucine is one of the essential amino acids in the human diet and plays a critical role in protein synthesis and various metabolic functions.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and